Welcome to day 2 at Disney World.
It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say, it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay? Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
Can you believe it? I got the TIANA'S Bayou Adventure annual pass preview virtual queue. Group 5? Group 5. Are you kidding me? Stunning. Amazing. We have not been called yet for our boarding group, but we should soon since we are boarding group 5. But we're having to wait to go to the park because today's technically our Epcot day until this, since you have to have Magic Kingdom reservation. So we're kind of hanging out waiting, but we are more than excited, and hopefully we'll be on TIANA'S Bayou Adventure, and I will show as much as I can. So once I do, I'll put spoilers on the screen. That way, if you don't want to see any, you can skip. But we're so excited. We'll keep bringing you along with us, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. I already know. Y'all, we just keep having the weirdest change of plans ever. Yep. We literally stepped one foot into Disney Springs, and our virtual queue gets called for TIANA'S. So we are literally turning around. We stepped in, we're stepping right back out to go get on a Magic Kingdom resort bus. So we're either gonna get on like Grand Flow, Polynesian, Contemporary,
something.
One of the many, and hop on that monorail over to Magic Kingdom and get on it. So change the plans. We're making this work. We're gonna get on TIANA'S no matter what, y'all. The minivan was absolutely amazing. Lindsay was the cast member that was our minivan driver. She was such a sweetie. We talked to her the entire time about wedding planning, all this and that. We told her that we're getting married in August, and so that was so great. But we are here at Magic Kingdom now. We were gonna take the bus, but we're like, hey, we gotta make it here quick. So we decided
11:37.
Yeah. So we walk into Disney Springs. We're like, let's get on a monorail resort bus. No, let's actually just get a minivan. So we've just been kind of zooming around. Let's do this, let's do that. But we finally committed to just taking the minivan over to Magic Kingdom. We're about to go to security and get on TIANA'S. Hi.
How's it going? We're gonna go ride TIANA'S.
Yeah, we're very excited. We like stepped into Disney Springs and we got our call back. Okay,
mine isn't until the 23rd, so I'm still waiting.
Oh, gotcha. Thank you. We are in the queue. We're about to ride TIANA'S, so we're walking through the queue. We have no clue what to expect. We didn't look at any spoilers. So this is all our first reaction to everything.
All new.
We are so excited. Thank you.
this thing.
Yeah! Here we go, y'all.
Y'all, let's meet up with Louis and find some musicians for our party. Look out, Bayou, here we come.
Hello? Any musicians down here who want to jam? The party's about to begin.
We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
There we go.
Our little friends below are doing big things.
Been there, done that. But you put on the sound, that was great.
Invite your friends to tag along.
Ten out of 10.
10 out of 10. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, there's more.
Everyone can sing a song. It's a joyful celebration.
What a band! I knew y'all would make a
Best ride in Magic Kingdom, hands down. The detail, the nature.
Oh yeah,
Riley, what did you think?
it's up there for sure. I don't want to say it's my favorite yet, but it may be. So when it opens to the public, if you can get in line, if you have to wait an hour and a half, you wait an hour and a half.
Yeah.
It is amazing.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
I do it again.
I
do
think
it
it's
again.
literally right behind
I do it.
like Guardians for me. I love it.
Guardians
I
is
love
better
it,
as
love
a
it.
roller coaster, but this is better as
attraction-wise?
like overall, like just the whole
Yeah.
thing in general.
100%.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. I have no critiques.
See you later on the Bayou.
In Epcot. No.
Hi, Mickey! No, Minnie! Guys, these are fresh cut vegetables from Oro. You're gonna make a snowman. There you go. Finally, it's summer, Oro.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good times roll. Down, we'll never come down. When the sun comes up, we'll be feeling how we do right now. My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go.
One big family.
You are obsessed with the ducks. The Disney ducks.
Hey, why don't these ducks go get a job? Maybe they can work here at Disney.
The ducks do work here at Disney as Disney ducks.
Disney ducks. Where's Donald? Where's Donald?
Thank you. We are the only people basically in here.
See, we have new visitors. Welcome,
This is gonna be
to the
almost a walk-on, I
wonders of
think.
Sandar.
Well, September. That's what I'm going for.
am
Complete the whole album, you know, Riley has made you sure.
Computer of Sandar.
We gotta complete it. Then we have the full set. So pumped. What do you think we're gonna get?
Everybody wants to know the world.
Well, yeah, that's our favorite song, but we have to complete all of it. You know, it's like a mission. That's our mission. We've gotten what? Oh, everybody wants to rule the world. Yeah, yeah. We'll update y'all. We're very pumped. Still don't see any people in this line.
Hi.
We're gonna give a little quick recap from Journey of Water with Moana.
Oh, yes.
We just met Brandon from Sunny Times 2. It's always sunny. Brandon and Heidi, if you guys watch their vlogs. They're absolutely amazing. We rode Guardians with him.
Yes, we did.
So nice. He is exactly how he is on his vlogs. Super cool person.
Yes.
Very awesome.
Such a great guy. Thank you so much, Brandon, for your hospitality.
Yeah, for real. Such a nice guy. We appreciate it. Now we're pals with him. All right, and you'll catch us in his vlog too, because we took a little clip when we got off Guardians. Thanks, guys. We're gonna go through Journey of Water. I just boinked you in the head. Boink. All right, guys, we are gonna close out the vlog here. We are like,
vibes are high. Let's just say that.
Yeah, we had such a fun day. We rode TIANA'S.
Oh yes.
We rode Guardians. We met Brandon.
Yep.
We had amazing weather.
3 favorite things.
An amazing stay. We're going back to our resort. We're able to walk back to our resort from Epcot. You know, Yacht Club. We love that. We've never been able to do that before.
Very nice.
And we're just like really like riding the vibes of today. We absolutely loved it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're still watching, we really appreciate it. And we really hope you guys are following along with our trip. Tomorrow you will catch us in Animal Kingdom in Hollywood Studios.
It'll be a blast.
See you guys then. Bye.